It did. Excellent connection. Okay, let's see. Hi everyone, I hope the stream is working. I'm using for the first time the Wi-Fi, so I don't know if the connection is going to be good. I'm trying to refresh on my other laptop so I can see if it's working. Okay, it seems that it's working. There is a bit of delay, but I think so far so good. You can see me, that's good. If you're new here, my name is Nicoleta and I'm a web developer, no-code web developer and UX UI designer. I usually do sometimes streaming for testing out different platforms, and last time we tested Framer. I have another stream where I also play around with Webstudio and create a website. It is a little bit laggy now, I can see, but maybe I can switch to my other laptop. It's going to be a good experiment and see what will happen. Anyway, so far so good. I wanted to say that today I'm exploring Webstudio, and many people compare it to Figma and some people compare it to Webflow, and I'm not really sure what it actually does, but in some of the branding that they have, it says that it is the best UI builder for freelancers and agencies. So we're going to test out that and if it's true. Here, these are their templates that they offer. If you can see them in the bottom, maybe I can remove myself so you can see better. Maybe this corner will be a good, maybe upper corner for now, just for you to see the templates. Here are some of them: marketing, linking bio, SaaS, and portfolio. I have chosen, I think, the empty one. Let me check what were the options. Probably the empty one, and I'm going to check out how it looks like. Let me see. So there is a lot of AI implemented in this web builder, and so far it looks very familiar, like kind of like Figma, but also some elements remind me of Webflow as well. So it's kind of a mixture in between. I would say it is something similar to Framer, but we will see how similar that is. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave them in the comments below. If you have any suggestions for future videos as well. For example, I'm planning also in some point to do a stream for Relume AI and their implementation between Figma and Webflow. They come kind of in between, so it will be a very interesting video in my opinion. So if you want to see it, let me know in the comments. And let me move myself now here in the top middle so you can see, maybe even make myself smaller. Can I? Yes, I can. Okay, perfect. I think this here position is okay for now, so you can see the bottom and you can see everything else. Okay, let's start. So basic structure, I can see that I can style my elements here on the right. Okay, we have this, which is familiar for web builders. Webflow, Wix has it. Okay, the size, typography. Okay, pretty standard things. Here I see some transitions, which means probably the animations. Oh, did I added one? Reset value. Okay. Here, since I'm new to this platform, I'm going to also judge the user experience and the onboarding. Just for you to know, when I submitted myself for the waitlist, I also, after I got to the landing page and all the projects, I also got a video like offering me a walkthrough, but I didn't watch it because it was like 4 minutes or so. So I'm kind of blindly going into this, just for you to know. And I can see here that there are some tooltips, which is great. So it kind of explains what is happening. But let's read what they want to say here. Welcome to Webstudio AI Alpha. Create a hero section with a heading, subheading in white. CTA. These are the prompts that I can choose from. Okay. Create a 2-column feature. Testimonials. Okay, so I can tell the AI with a voice note as well, and it can build it for me. Okay, that seems interesting. I can resize in real time. Okay, that's nice. Usually Figma has on the right the types of size that you want to create, from A4 to the mobile screen, all of it. So this is interesting. I don't know what the star means. Oh, okay. So if I want my biggest breakpoint to be my, okay, the default one. Okay, and then based on the biggest one it will be cascading down. Okay, that's nice. What is this for? This is showing my tablet. Okay. This is my home with the pages. Okay, if I'm making a website, this is my home. This is inside the page. Okay, and this is the body. Okay. What can I add? Interesting. Box link. This reminds me of Webflow as well. Slot. That's something that I have never heard before. You want reference across the project. Slots children will be reflected. Okay. I'll probably need some kind of tutorial to learn all of this. Separator is familiar. H, okay. Code. Okay. It's kind of standard. Radio button. Tabs collapsible. Okay, so far so good. What is here? The layers, I bet. But I wish when I hover to tell me that these are the layers. Here I can upload or search for assets. Okay, and this is the AI help. Okay. Report a bug. Okay. Okay. Good. So far so good. Should we try maybe the AI? Let's try it. Create a navigation bar with 3 links to contact, about us, and shop. Also include a call to action, named reserve. Should I give more details? Make it in a warm. I'm not sure if it's going to take any suggestions for the colors and stuff like that, but let's see. Warm orange tone. By the way, we're creating a landing page for a specialty coffee shop here in Zagreb. So I think it's loading, as you can see that sign. I guess this is supposed to be the W or AI connected to letters. Okay, this is what we got. Menu item. It looks very interesting. It didn't name them as I wanted. Okay, let's see maybe the hero section. How good are their prompts? It's still loading. To be honest, it looks a little bit rigid in my opinion. Maybe because I haven't gotten around it yet. What happened? Am I supposed to wait without clicking anything? Okay. Oh no. Because I was selecting the menu, that's what happened. Okay. If we're just in the body, create a hero section now. So the whole rainbow selection means that whichever element I'm choosing from the website, it will actually implement the prompt. Okay, can I minimize this? Yes. Okay. I don't like the drop shadow and all that. Can I change the image? Okay, let me change the image. Let's see if it's actually going to do that. Is it going to take specific inputs? It kinda didn't. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, and for the menu items, how can I add my text? Do I press T or just type? Name, okay, that's for accessibility, but I wanna that. How do I add text? T? Should I add from here? Usually with these things, you just, oh my god, you just press. If it should recognize certain commands and should get my how to say, what I'm looking for with the certain command, like T, R or whatever. If it is acting like Webflow or any other website builder, not UI builder, then I should consider it as such. So here it comes the confusion for me. Also with Framer, is it trying to be one or the other? But sometimes, as it seems here, it's trying to be something in between and including AI. So it is a bit confusing in my opinion. Okay, let's try to treat it as a website builder in this case. Can I add it here? Another text. Okay. Did it add it? No, it didn't. There's no more text. Why? And also it doesn't open anymore. Why? I wanna add. Is it my Wi-Fi? Let me refresh. Okay, navigation bar. Menu list, menu item. I want this to be inside the item. Okay, about us. Then I want to add another text. Maybe here. It doesn't recognize it in the tree, so I have to put it on the canvas. Okay, what I wanted to it was about us. Contact and shop. Let's put the shop as well. Definitely it's not going to be a beautiful website, but we will try. Now how do I, okay, margin 5 pixel. Okay, this is working. Does it work like this? Oh, nice. Okay, 15. Did we do 15? 15 from the outside. 15. Okay, interesting. It has all the measurements, but okay, 5 and 15. We're going to do it like this. I don't understand why it has the bullet points. Can we remove them? What will happen? It doesn't act like a link or anything. This also doesn't have any animation. Okay. Can we add animation? Transition, box shadow, no. Effect, opacity, blend mode. Let's change the color to something. By the way, backgrounds. Okay, include backgrounds. From where? Gradient. Okay. Image. It reminds me of early days of Windows. Maybe because it's light theme. It's quite bright. So maybe that's the reason. But the UI, it doesn't look very appealing to me so far, and I'm really struggling to find how to change things around. Okay, let me find where this image is so I can change it to something else. How can I change the actual image? Replace it basically. If it is a web builder, I would usually in Webflow we have the, how it's called, the cog icon where we can change different types of the elements. Here I don't know where to find it. I don't have assets, but I can upload. In Figma we can change it from here with the background. Do they have connection with Unsplash? No. Okay, just checking the stream. Okay, so far so good, but nothing actually happens. Okay, settings. Let's try AI again. Change the box, create testimonial section. Let's just test out all of them. 2-column feature section with a heading. Okay, let's test out all of the prompts and see what they actually give us as variety. Since I don't feel confident enough that I can actually change much, it almost feels like limiting. Okay, let's see. Where is it? Okay. Where in that prompt it said that I want to stare like a sky with stars? It didn't say. They just pick for us. Okay. Let's see the body, and That's very, like, what can I do with this? Can I resize it? Can I drag it, the element? Oh, I moved it accidentally. Okay, can I change its size? Width is good. I want to change the height. What happened? Come back. Okay, height, let's make it 500. Okay, now it's getting there. Okay, this hero section also, I want it to be 500. Can we rename stuff? Double click. Okay, we can. Good. I think something is going to happen. This is okay, 500, but pixels I want. Okay, now it's looking to something. Welcome to Augusta. Experience. Try the best coffee of your life. That's creation letters. Check our unique blends. By the way, I never had a specialty coffee in my life, but I have heard it's quite nice. So that's why I wanted to try it out, but I'm still struggling to figure out how can we change the image and maybe remove the blur. Do you see where the blur is? Box shadow, effect, the image. Okay, we'll leave it as it is. Let's see what else can we add, since we're going to just experiment for today. We added the columns, we added this. I wish also the things I already added to be like faded out, so I don't have to read them again and again. Testimonials, let's see how that would look like. I have to put my to charge. It's still working. It's a little bit darker now, I can tell. Okay, testimonials looking good. Everything has a shadow, interesting. All cards. Can I move them around? At least this functionality where, oh no, I can rename things by double clicking works, which is nice. I like the drag and drop. Okay, and this is the column. Okay, what else can we add? Gallery, slider, can we do 4 images? By the way, I played around a little bit with Relume, and I think it's much more impressive than Webstudio in my opinion, and maybe the team behind Relume is much bigger, and it is impressive what they can do. Basically, they give you a back-end side, which is the sitemap, and how the skeleton of your website can look like. Relume, that is. Oh, error. Okay. Roving focus group item must be within roving focus group. I don't know what that means, and I don't know how I can fix that. Okay. Do we report the bug? Maybe. Control Z. Okay. And I was saying about Relume that they have like that backend with the sitemap, and then you have kind of like how the wireframes can look like of the website. And if you're on the free version, it gives you a one landing page, and then the other pages that you could have are kind of locked for the upgrade. And not going to lie, the wireframe looks quite promising and interesting, so I'm kind of excited to try it out. But let's see what we can do here. Like, how can we work with this? How can we change it? How can I change the image? When I double click, nothing happens. When I check here on the side, I can see the image. Can I just drop it? No. How do I change the images? Maybe just go here. Layout block flex. Okay, that's basically how it looks like. But I want to change the image. Do I just maybe add it? Let me see. Image. Okay, but can I set it as a background? Okay, position absolute. Position absolute. Let's copy the same exact. And then display block. I just want the image to be inside. And I want here to be my coffee. Let me try again. I'm selecting the image and I'm going to the assets. Drag and drop doesn't work. Can I just delete the mountain? Interesting. But the background is kind of fixed and I cannot replace it. I'm literally going to Google how to change image in Webstudio. Of course, since it's so new, it doesn't have the right results. Anyway, I'm getting a bit frustrated because I don't know how to change the image. Background fill, is that it? Ah, filter. Background black. You know what? Maybe if I select hero. It will give me some hints. No. Can I drop image anywhere? No, I need a container first. Or image as image. Okay, image as image. Okay. Can I then add a section or just boxes? What is the biggest thing I can add here? Navigation menu, tabs, dialog. Okay, basically the section will be a box. Let's see. Not there, but in between. Not here, but okay, good. I want it under between the hero. Okay, good. Then we want to add the image here. Okay, and now drag the image and put it inside. No? I feel stupid again. I feel silly. Okay. How do we add image? Probably something so easy. Okay, these are the states to be that coffee kinda color. Okay, what else? Does this work? Okay, this works. But how do we add the image? It shouldn't be that difficult. Should I choose here? What? Okay, at least the moving around it's easy. But how do I put image inside of the element? Help! This is the size, position, typography, background. Okay, add background, image, choose image. Is this okay? It is uploaded, it is selected. But it doesn't show up. Why? Contain cover. Which is it? Custom. Check settings. This is background image. CC background. Do you mean the hero section? I totally neglected the CSS. Blend norm. Okay. Check settings. I presume you mean the hero section. Okay, so it is with coding. Okay. Origin. Okay, content border. Above style in the settings. Okay, so I have to get the name, source, true source, and I chose it. It shouldn't be so hard. It shouldn't be so hard. Oh my goodness. It shouldn't be so hard. Oh my lord. Okay. Interesting. We found it. Thank you. Let's add some padding here. Margin, not padding. Oh. Did it actually catch it? From the right. Interesting how it shifts every time. I have two images. Why? Something is looking messy. It seems too complicated. Webstudio is trying to stay close to HTML system. Can I change now this one? Okay, they pull it from. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Okay, how do I remove the blur? Bogdan. How do I remove the blur? 16 pixel from here. Can I change it from here? Can I actually touch the code? It's a preview, but can I change it? I'm clicking it, but oh no, style panel. Okay, and then effects section. I did that. Opacity 1. Oops. I the blur. Does it have to do anything with opacity? Okay, no. Obviously. Where is the blur? It should be in the styles, right? Somewhere here. Okay, if you give me the CSS preview, why don't you give me the option to change it directly there? Like filter. Oh wait, I saw filter somewhere. Background filter, it says none, but I think parent instance element sets background. The hero? You think the hero has that? But still, where it is? Let me check. Center flex, relative font size. No, it does not have any blur for the hero. This was added with the AI. If you didn't watch before, they have the prompts, and with the prompt AI just added some random image and the blur on it, and I tried to tell the AI to remove it, but it didn't. Did you get that blur? Yes, I did. Okay, noted. Yeah, the AI gave it to me and I asked to remove it, but it didn't, so now I'm struggling to get rid of it. Maybe box? The box below, you mean? that box, it has to be on top of the image, if I see it correctly in the tree of layers. Nope. Okay, maybe I can ask AI again to remove the fingers crossed. Awesome, the image disappeared. Maybe that's for better. Let's try again. Now can I add the image? Drag and drop, okay, but I want it to be anyway. Share a link of the project. Can I? Okay. Are you guys from the team that is developing Webstudio? There you go. Should I return it? Let's tackle this together. Thank you, by the way, for the help. At least I had the image figured out, but I'm usually opting for no-code solutions, and I was just curious to see how this works, but it's not as easy as it seems, and I wonder in which stage is actually of development. Would you be able to collaborate with me in the same time? Will I see your icon here as a collaborator? That's interesting. If it's like Figma that we can simultaneously do the development, that would be awesome. Now, how did this appear in the box? Maybe I put it accidentally? No, I didn't. Try telling AI to remove the filter. I did. Coffee image, I renamed it. So, specifically to tell remove the filter. Let's try. It removed the whole thing. AI said filter blur on CSS, but don't yet have the option in the style panel. But it removes the whole thing. Oops, not. Okay. And what this links does, you can just check it out. Do you have any permissions? Like, because I didn't see, it can edit or it can see. Oh, it can view. Okay, that's nice. It's in the settings here. It can build, admin, recipients make any changes, can also publish the project. Okay, that's awesome. Maybe I'll have the permissions more visible, like included maybe somewhere here, maybe just an icon with an eye, so that people know that this link only is for viewing. Delete link. Okay, so each time it creates like different links for different people. Okay, what else can we do with the AI? Any ideas? We have a hero section, we have this random box, we have the column. Maybe add a button or two. Where were the buttons? A link. Will this make it? Oh, link text. Okay, okay. But where is the whole button? Buttons, okay. Button you can edit. Okay, submit, reset, okay. Backgrounds, typography. Interesting. Does it have anywhere Styleguide or something where I can get my typography and colors and everything? That would be cool. And I wonder why the button looks like so basic. It like gives me, I thought it's supposed to give me a head start, not bring me back to the past. Also, how can I round the corners, for example, of the button? Border, radius, okay, 8. Okay, nice. It looks good. Does it? Better. Background, let's make it black. And then the font will be white. Okay. And can I make it bold? My typography. Weight, okay. Medium. I didn't see much change. Bold, okay, good, good. Capitals, okay. Okay, much better. How can I adjust this? Okay. Do we have to give the box itself? Oh, okay. Parent. We have to think about the parent. So not the image, but my box needs the margin. Okay. If you can tell me how this image is 2 times I can see it, but it's only once here in the tree. How this happened? Did I give the box an image that I cannot see as a background, and the image itself has an image? Because here I don't see source of the box. Lots of mysteries. Can we make the height maybe smaller? This is of the image itself. Let me return how it was. Yes. Fit content not, but you could set background image on image. Really? Background image on image. Okay. So I did it accidentally. Where? Ah, okay. And what is the logic behind having a background image on image? Yeah, background section. So I can have image within the image, but why? Okay. Are you going to support any drag and drop, or is going to be purely from the two sides, from the panels controlled? That's just the power of CSS. You can do anything. Styles are more or less universal for all elements. Okay. Okay, at least it's moving in real time and I can see where it's moving around. 50-50. I'm trying for this one. Okay. What is this? The wrap? Flex wrap. Okay. And what is this? Align contents. Center. Okay. This is the direction. Okay. Interesting. Is there an option I can change the CSS? Can I get into my code? Or just only preview it? For example, this AI blur. I want to get rid of it. Hello. Okay, let's add something else. For example, what can we see here? Radio button, label, dialogue. Not yet. We want to support CSS edit. Please, please, at least give us some control with that. Did I remove blur filter? I did, Oleg. I actually did tell him. Like, I selected the image, or maybe I should select the hero. Okay, maybe let's select the hero because he generated the hero, and say remove blur filter. Okay, remove blur filter from image. It did. Okay, so it actually applied it to the hero, the parent that I actually rendered. Okay, can we have the blur but like reduce it? Control Z. Okay, let's try again. Reduce the image. How did you say blur filter? Reduce blur. I don't know what kind of numbers it's taking, but I would just say 5. Did I change? I need website movie temp for blogger. I don't know, I have for free. I don't know. Okay, how do I... So you're telling me that as a no-code developer, I have to learn how to code again in order to use your tool? Oh, I thought it's going to be easy as Figma, right? Drag and drop, adjust, add elements, because it says UI builder and it's familiar. It looks like a little bit like Figma, but I see. Okay, this is for the geeks. We're getting there. Yeah. When you decide which road you want to go on, like, do you want to be Webflow competitor or Figma competitor, and you need help with the user experience, let me know. I'm glad to help. I would love to help. I'm just a little bit confused. Let's you build production grade stuff. Figma is giving you pictures. Hey now. Okay. So you are trying to be a web builder with heavy on the CSS. Okay. Now, how can I return the blur on this image so I can actually use this hero section at least to wrap up the whole stream, and I can get back to other work? Effects, I presume, but I don't see blur. But there's background fill and blend mode, not. How do I add the blur but in a more toned down version of it? Can I? I don't want a backdrop, but do I maybe need a backdrop? If I select the hero section, maybe I can add a backdrop fill. Okay, good to know. If I add a background, which is here, and this is the box, maybe the box can have a background. Now it's transparent. Oh, see, yeah, okay, let's make it 80. Now I have to work with this box so it can has a little bit space inside, Nicoletta, inside, not outside. Okay, let's make it 60 on each side so it can get more place. Okay, it's still ugly, but we don't support filter yet. You can try to use HTML embedded. Set ID on the image. ID on the image. Okay. Coffee. Is it okay? ID is here. See ya. Create HTML embedded and add. Oh no, you lost me there. Okay. But where do I add this HTML embedded? Can I just drop it somewhere? I dropped it in the hero. and then add style filter. Where do I add this text that you send the code? Where do I put the code for the embedded? Here. Okay. Where is the element? But it shows only settings on the HT embedded. Client only, run script on code. Okay, I pasted the code. Now I have to move the picture inside. No? Nope. Where it disappeared? I actually don't see it. It's on the top of the here. Why is it here? Oh. Which ID to change to coffee? The HTML, it says name here. Is name the same as ID? No. Maybe I'll just change it. But the name and ID are two different things. Change your ID to coffee. I did. Okay, I'm going to try that, but off camera. Thank you for the advice and support. Actually, I'm going to test it out and maybe finish the whole web page. We will see about that. But next time we're trying Relume. I'm more excited about that, to be honest, as I said already. And yeah, there also, I think, another tool. What was the name? I forgot. But there are so many tools right now that are no-code friendly and popping right now. Framer, I already had a stream about it. It is confusing. Okay, we have in the target element. Okay, noted. Thanks so much for watching and for helping Oleg and Bogdan. And see you in the next one. That's it for now. Next time we're going to try another tool, and maybe I will